All right, so quick one. A client reached out to me that he needed a flight booking website for his business. So I had to put few things together. Let's check it out. So these are my files so far. I have my public file, which is the PHP, the index file. Okay, so this one, due to security reasons, my index file has all the routing from other folders. Okay, so we are not using anything directly from here because we need to protect the data and everything on the site. Yes, so I want to take you through what I've done so far, then we see the way forward. So as you can see, as it stands now, I have completed, okay, let me say I've worked around the dashboard, the routes manager. That's the route that it would take, maybe from one place to the other, the fleet management, the flight schedules, and then we are now going to look at the booking, the user managers, the club setup and other stuff. Okay, so I will be doing a video as and when I add a new update to it. So when you check the dashboard, currently we are having total revenue, total route, total flight or aircraft. Okay, so when we go to the route manager here, you'll be able to select. So maybe the person is moving from Los Angeles to let's say Miami. Okay, so from Los Angeles to Miami, let me put a random distance there. So let's say 1,000 kilometers. Okay, so 1,000 kilometers. Now for 1,000 kilometers, we have the economy, we have the premium economy, we have the business price, and then the first class. So let's say economy is paying $400, premium is paying $500, then business class is paying, let's say, $1,000, then first class is paying $1,500. Okay, so let me save it. So once it is saved, you see the routes here. So from Los Angeles to Miami. Okay, first class has been added, the distance is also here. All right, then let's look at the fleet manager. Now this one, I made it in such a way that once the fleet is created, you see a visual seat map here, okay, indicating the total seats for economy, premium economy, business class, and then the first class. All right, so I've created some here already, but then let's add another one. So let's say Airbus is the aircraft that will be taking the people. Airbus 4, or let's say 334. Okay, Airbus 334, and then registration number, let's say CS JNY. Okay, so the body size. Okay, you know, in the aircraft they have the formation they play, how they arrange the seats. Okay, so let's go for 343. Then the first class, how many seats? Maybe in that particular Airbus we have maybe 30 seats for first class. So as you can see, immediately I entered 30, you can see the visuals showing here. That's the seats for first class. The business class, let's say we have let's say 60. So you can see the business class showing the 60. Okay, then let's go to the premium economy. Premium economy, let's say somewhere around, let's say 80. So you can see the premium economy also. Then finally economy, let's say 100. So you come here, you see the economy as well. Okay, then I just click on save. So I have my fleet seat saved. So in the Airbus 334, which the registration number is CSJNY. Okay, this is the seat number that you're having. So a total seat of 270. So you have in that order. Okay, you can delete it, you can edit it, and do other stuff with it. Then let's come to the flight schedule. So here I can schedule a flight. Okay, I have already added one because of time. I don't want to. So let's do that quickly. So we have a flight number of, let's say, TTY. Okay, the departure for the day will be around 6 p.m. and then how many hours will it take? Let's say 4 hours. Then the route, where is it going to? So let's say from Los Angeles to Miami. Then the aircraft that we are using. Okay, so we use the 334. Okay, so this is the aircraft assigned to that particular Airbus. Sorry. Now how many days in the week? So we select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say from Monday to Friday. Okay, then let's save the schedule. So once it is saved, you just come to let me look for okay, so let's come to book flights. So when you come to the home page, okay, this is the home page. I'm not actually done with it. I'm now working on the home page now. So let's see whatever that we did, if it is actually working here. So let me start from, so the let's say the person is traveling from Los Angeles to Miami. Now, when is the person going to book the flight? Let's say today. Let's assume today. Select the class, so first class, as you can see. So from Los Angeles to Miami, departure time, then the class. Okay, so let's search for it. So once you search for it, you can see that I have created one here. Are you getting it? So for assistance now, we are working on it. So I just want to see what we are doing. All right, so once the project is done, everything is on course, I would let you know. So the ones that I created is here. I think there's a problem with my database. I have to check it out, but then you can see that the one I created is actually working here. Okay, so the bus, the luggage, and then the seat number and everything. All right, so in case you have any additional feature you think we can add it, just let me know in the comment section, or just write up to me, and then I would add that. Thank you. See you when the project is fully done.